Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning my hall bathroom. It's my son's bathroom as well as any guests who visit our home. I am going to do a little bit of voiceover today, but mostly I'm just going to let you guys jam out to some music. I hope you enjoy.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Not used to do this, it ain't my style. It ain't my style. You see right through me, I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming.
So I picked this up at Dollar Tree the other day because I ran out of my method and I was really disappointed in this. It cleaned fine, but check this out. Yuck, it leaked everywhere. Definitely not gonna repurchase this one.
So I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something.
This is a new product for me. I really enjoyed using it. There's just something about cleaning with a foaming cleanser that just makes the space feel like it got even cleaner. I don't know. You guys feel that way too?
This baby, you do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, spinning top. Giving it up.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one.
So I'm using this glass and surface method cleaner for the walls of this tub. These walls are marble tile, and the foaming cleanser that I was using did not say it was safe for granite or marble, so I chose not to use it. What do you use if you have marble tile or granite in your bathroom? What do you use on those surfaces?
Wake up, I don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake
Cleaning tool is absolutely amazing. You can pick it up at Target. It just covers so much of the surface area so you don't have to jump in there with a sponge and use a lot of elbow grease. I absolutely love it.
baby without you. I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh,
using some Norwex cloths. That was the Enviro cloth. This is the window cloth. I wet the Enviro cloth and use it to clean the glass. It looks like I'm cleaning the air, but I promise you the glass door is open, and that's what I'm using. So I go over it once with the Enviro cloth, and then I use the window cloth dry, and it really leaves it streak free. I absolutely love this combo. It does wonders for the glass doors on the shower.
Don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. I wouldn't know what to do. Around your finger, tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you.
Most of the time I am using just a mop to clean these floors, but it is such a small bathroom that a lot of the times I will just get down on my hands and knees and just scrub it.
I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you.
And please tell me I'm not the only one who dries their floors like this.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you.
And that's it, y'all. I'm done with the bathroom. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I know I love to watch cleaning videos for the motivation. I do have one other cleaning video on my channel that I'll link here for you to go check out. And I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks, guys. See you next time.
It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work